Listen to the call of the Eastern Screech-Owl. What does Eastern Screech-Owl sound like? The Eastern Screech-Owl, Megascops asio, is known for its distinctive vocalizations. It has two main calls, the whinny and the trill. Whinny. The whinny is a series of descending whistles, often described as a horse-like whinny. It's a common call that is often used by both males and females. The whinny is used for communication between mates and during territorial disputes. It can be heard in various pitches and durations. Trill. The trill is a high-pitched, wavering call that can sound like a bouncing ball or an insect-like trill. This call is often used by males during the breeding season to attract females. The trill is distinct from the whinny and is typically repeated at a faster pace. These calls are often heard at night, as Eastern Screech-Owls are nocturnal. They are excellent at camouflaging themselves and may go unnoticed, despite being relatively common in many wooded areas of the eastern United States. Keep in mind that individual variation in calls can occur, and environmental factors may also influence the way their calls sound.